Kani kadai ka Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan rasyapi da ka rupa. Bapentingin bat penpa.
Kani kadai ka kanhon jong ka Meghalaya Mixed Martial Art Association. Kaba Haka kendo bat kinong patay kubor. Hanen kasngi ka lai trek mentau benai nok pra arjakat pra Shillong Press Club. Kalapan bena bahakan nyo trek mentau benai nok pra arjakat pra. Kan sapelong ya ka lempong kaba on tep kom ka Shillong Cage Fighting Championship 2018. Ya kaba on pelong ha indoor hall jong ka Laban Sports Club Shillong nadu kapor san siteng janmiat cheneng. Haka ni ka lempong anwane simenta da kisan pusan ngot kinong ilakai mixed martial arts na kaleng kari India bat na kini kisan pusan ngot kasan ngot kindai kiba na kini kejela Meghalaya. Kentop ya ar ngot kikintei na ki prangot baro. Kinong ilakai kiban wane simenta kidai kiba na kejela Meghalaya, Manipur, Assam, Tripura, Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai bat Haryana. Nalor kiwai pat Jingïakhun, Haka ni ke janmian kandon do Jingïakhun ke bakarpang ni ke super fight. Kaban long hapadang uway ni kinong ilakai na kari Australia, u Lachlan Conway, bat u Anthony CM, u ba na kani ke jela Meghalaya. Bat kawai pat kadai ke main event, Haka ba on Jingïakhun hapadang u Johnny Nongrom na kani ke jela, bat u Jagjit Singh na po Haryana.
This event will be a first of its kind in Meghalaya, where fighters are getting paid for such an event. And in fact, in many places in India, it will be the first of its kind where amateur fighters are also getting paid along with the pro fighters. We've had lots of MMA tournaments happening all over India. Even in our state we've had one, but this kind will be the first. And we have fighters coming from all over India in the different weight categories, competing against fighters from Meghalaya and from the northeast. And we have states like Mizoram, Manipur, Assam, Tripura. This is from the northeast, and of course from the rest of India we have states like Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Haryana. These are the places. So basically it's fighters coming from all over. And in the super fight, we have someone coming from Australia taking on our very own Alni. The one who's coming from Australia is a very accomplished fighter in his own right, and he's won international championships. And it'll be a very good test for our fighter Alni. And again, the Shillong Cage Fighting Championship, this is a start right now. We hope that this will be the platform for the MMA fighters who are going to compete, especially not just from our state but especially the northeast. We invite fighters from all over India and of course from all over the world. But this is our very own platform. And for the state, this is the first of its kind where we provide the platform.